It's coming! Help us! Someone please help! Look! A giant cup!
Today we are going to create something new, unique, and amazing. First of all, look at this channel. It has uploaded only 11 videos, and you can see the views: 4.74 million, 1.6 million 898k views, 210k views, and many more. This channel creates small genius-style videos, and you can also make exactly these kinds of videos. You can see how amazing and high quality this channel is. These videos are really incredible, and the best part is that you can create them completely free using AI tools. Now, one question many people ask is this channel monetized or not? Yes, this channel is monetized, and I can even show you proof. First, copy the link of the YouTube channel. After copying the link, go to YouTube Social Blade and paste it there. As soon as you paste the channel link, you will be able to see whether the channel is monetized or not. Now you can see this channel is monetized. The channel name is RiceStream, and you can also check its estimated earnings. It is earning around 224 to 3.6k monthly. Yes, this channel is making up to 3.6k per month, and you can also see that it gets hundreds of thousands of views. So you can also create videos exactly like these. This is a very powerful and trending niche right now. You can create these videos completely free without buying any paid tools. So let's start, and I'll show you how to create these viral AI videos step by step. We will upload videos on our channel AI Viral Creations. What kind of viral videos can we create? If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video so you can watch more videos like this in the future. Now let's begin. The most important thing is the prompt. I will explain how to use the prompt properly, and I will also provide the prompt in the comments section. First of all, you need to open ChatGPT, okay? After opening it, I will give you a prompt called the master prompt. You need to download it from the comments section. As soon as you download it from the comments section, copy the entire prompt till the end where it says generate 10 images. Copy everything completely. After copying, go to ChatGPT and simply paste it there. As soon as you paste it, ChatGPT will analyze it and then give you 10 image prompts, video prompts, scene prompts, and even voiceover scripts. In this way, you can easily create your short videos. You can comfortably make 3-4 short videos with it. And if you want to create a story based on a single character, then simply copy and paste this line. Please also do me as a story. This way, it will create a complete story for the specific character you want. So basically, ChatGPT will automatically generate all the ideas for you. You just need to copy and paste the prompt. Also, don't forget to like the video because I'll also show you how to create these videos for free. There's a really amazing tool that I'm going to use today. Now let's create the images. For the first image option, I'll copy the first image prompt. After copying, the best website for generating images is leonardo.ai. It's an amazing website. Now which model should you select? Select Phoenix 1.0 and keep the size at 916 because we want to create vertical videos. After selecting the model and size, simply paste the prompt. As soon as I paste the prompt, you can see the image is already generated. In the same way, I keep copying and pasting the next prompts one by one. Step by step, all the images start generating automatically. You can see that around 5-6 images are already generated, and the results are absolutely amazing. These are exactly the kinds of scenes I wanted. Now the next thing, what if the credits finish? Let's say 7 images are generated, and now you want to create the remaining ones. What I do is switch to another browser, log into leonardo.ai with another email account, connect it, and continue pasting the remaining prompts there. As you can see, all my images are now ready. The image results are really impressive. Now that the images are ready, let's move on to creating AI videos. For that, I'm going to open the first website. Now for creating videos, the first website I'm going to use is Adobe Firefly. Simply type Adobe Firefly and it will appear at the top. You can see it says Free Generative AI for Creatives. It's a really amazing website. Just click on it. After opening, you need to log in. And your screen will look something like this. You can sign in with Google, or you can also use temp mail if needed. As you can see, I'm using my email atechcreations78, and I'll log in with that. As soon as I log in with my email, it will take a little time to load, and after that, it will open like this now here. You can set any month and date you want, like 99, 98, or anything you prefer to write. Then click on Create Account. As soon as you click on Create Account, it will show something like this on your screen. It's a really amazing website. Here you can do editing, create images, videos, and pretty much everything. And if you're having trouble finding the video tool, then I'll put my link in the description. You just need to copy that link from there, and after that, paste it here. As soon as you paste the link, it will show something like this. Now click on the video option and then click on Generate Video. As soon as you click on Generate Video, the first setting you must choose is VO 3.1. Make sure to remember this because it's important. After that, click on Upload Image and upload your first image. Once the image is uploaded, paste its prompt into the section below. Then simply click on Generate. It may take a little time, but not too much. Sometimes it takes longer, but if your internet connection is good, it will generate quickly. After a short wait, you can see that the video is ready and the result looks absolutely amazing. Now in the same way, I upload the second image using the same style. Make sure to keep the size vertical. After that, I paste the prompt again and click on Generate. It takes a little time, but not too long. And now you can see that the second image video is also ready. The result is really impressive. In this way, you can easily create videos on this platform. Now, the second website is also very famous, and I'm going to use it next. Now, the third website for creating AI videos is a very famous one. Just go to Google and search for flowlabs.ai. Open the website and click on Create with Flow. The best thing about this website is that it gives you daily credits. At the start, it provides around 150 free credits, and after that, you get 50 free credits daily. You can even use different emails to create more free videos. After clicking Create with Flow, go to New Project. Once you click on New Project, the interface will appear like this. Then simply copy your prompts from ChatGPT, select the size and settings, and paste the prompts there. As soon as you paste the prompts, the AI video generation will start automatically. You can see that I copied another prompt and pasted it, and now the second video is also generating. In this way, you can create unlimited AI videos for free very easily. The best part is that the video results are really high quality and look amazing. If you want to create high-quality AI voiceovers, you can use lovo.ai. It's a really great website for generating professional AI voices. I have already made a complete course about this website in my previous videos. You can visit my YouTube channel and watch those videos to learn step-by-step how to create AI voiceovers on it. I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and turn them into cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut. It's one of the best video editing software options available because it's simple, powerful, and completely beginner-friendly. Just import your AI videos and voiceover into CapCut. Then start editing them professionally. CapCut comes with amazing features like transitions, cinematic effects, filters, text animations, background music, and much more. Here, I'll add professional effects, sync the voiceover, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully ready. You can watch the final result now. Thanks for watching. Please like for my video, subscribe my YouTube channel for next video.
Run! It's coming! Help us! Someone please help! Look! A giant cup!